You may already know that Soundcheck includes virtual instruments for quick, on-the-fly measurements. But did you know Soundcheck has both a frequency counter and a distortion analyzer? The frequency counter determines the dominant frequency in a signal path, analyzing in real time and displaying the primary frequency. This tool is useful for calibrating audio meters, or any device where a pure tone needs to be identified to a very high precision and accuracy. The distortion analyzer continuously measures the distortion in a signal path. This virtual instrument offers many different distortion measurements, including total harmonic distortion, or THD, where you can select which harmonics to analyze, just like in the analysis step. THD plus N, THD and THD plus N residual level, and signal-to-noise distortion ratio, or SINAD. In fact, many of Soundcheck's distortion measurement methods are available right here in the distortion analyzer. There are many different use cases for this analyzer, but one example might be to measure real-time distortion characteristics. An example might be to increase the signal level to a DUT using the signal generator, and use the distortion analyzer to see at what level distortion crosses a particular threshold, for example, 3% THD. Both instruments allow for linear or continuous averaging and variable time weighting, and limits can be set with clear visual feedback. As with all our virtual instruments, values can be saved to the memory list to be recalled in following sequence steps. This enables you, for example, to trigger a measurement at a certain frequency determined by the frequency counter. And, just like all virtual instruments in Soundcheck, both the distortion analyzer and frequency counter can be used within a sequence using a virtual instrument step. These tools' capabilities can be further extended with the strip chart recorder. This addition enables changes in frequency and distortion characteristics to be easily tracked over extended testing periods. For example, using the strip chart recorder with the distortion analyzer allows any changes in distortion percentage to be monitored over hours or even days. Similarly, the frequency counter can be used with the strip chart recorder to test the stability of a Bluetooth device over a time period to identify any problems with jitter or signal dropouts. What virtual instruments would you like to see in Soundcheck? Let us know in the comments below. For more information on all things Soundcheck, be sure to head to listeninc.com.